The part designs are already final. Now comes the next major decision: the right toolmaker and the right tooling execution. Because tooling problems do not always begin in the tool room. Many of them begin on the very first day of the program, when the scope is unclear, responsibilities are not properly defined, customer and supplier expectations are not aligned, and known risks and challenges are not formally captured early. Later, those gaps become supplier deviations, repeated trials, timeline loss, and unnecessary cost. That is why we created Tool Lock Control. It is designed for projects where the part designs are already final and customer approved, and the customer wants the tooling program professionally governed, from RFQ and toolmaker selection through dispatch ready. Before tooling begins, we establish clarity around scope, responsibilities, customer and supplier expectations, acceptance criteria, known risks and critical challenges, and how changes during the program will be formally controlled, so that the program begins not on assumptions, but on documented clarity. Hongyi Jig does not manufacture the mold. The toolmaker manufactures the mold. Hongyi Jig governs the complete tooling development. We govern the selection of the right toolmaker, review DFM, mold flow and pre-tooling decisions, make critical risks visible early, track and escalate supplier deviations, and move trials and buy-off forward through structured reviews. If a major risk remains unresolved, it is formally reviewed and escalated before the next critical stage. Once the mold has completed the agreed checks, trials and buy-off, and becomes dispatch ready, the tool lock control governance scope is complete. Shipment, customs, and installation are then managed by the customer. Because building a mold is one thing, and taking the right mold to dispatch ready condition under control is something entirely different.